I'm going to show you exactly how to animate your Canva presentations so your slides look more engaging and professional. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to add animations to text, elements, and entire slides, plus how to export your presentation as a video. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. Let's get started. First, log into your Canva account. In the search bar, type in any topic followed by the word presentation. For example, you can search for marketing presentation or school project presentation. Once the results load, choose a template that fits your needs and click Customize this template. Now here's the fun part. In Canva, you can animate almost anything, from text to images, icons, and other design elements. To try it, click on the element you want to animate. Then in the top toolbar, click Animate. A panel will appear on the left showing you different animation options like fade, pop, pan, and many more. Click on an effect to preview it and see how it looks on your design. You can add subtle effects for a professional feel or bold ones for a more dynamic look. Once you're finished adding animations, preview your slides by clicking Present in the top right corner. When you are ready to save it, click Share, choose Download, and select MP4. This ensures your animations are included when exported. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You have now learned how to animate your Canva presentations. It is quick, creative, and beginner-friendly. If you'd like to take your Canva skills further, check out our free masterclass where we cover all the basics in detail. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.